make sure you subscribe or else.
What's going on, trailer fans? This is Sean.
This is Tanya.
We watching one of her crazy flicks called My Blind Brother.
What?
Two brothers. One is normal, one is blind, right?
Yes. One has all his senses. The other one is losing one senses, but the other ones are big, are stronger.
So why can't the blind person be normal?
Well, you the one that said, not me.
I just see if you're going to agree with it.
Well, I
Man, blind people, if y'all can see this, y'all are normal.
said. You the one that said.
Well, listen to me. Y'all are normal too. This is a movie. It starts off with sex, didn't it, Tiny?
Yes, it did.
Well, at least that's how the trailer started off. The normal brother that has his eyesight was messing around with this girl. He was sleeping with her. And afterwards, it had to be one of the one-night stands.
Yeah.
It was like a one-night stand. They weren't even
They
really
weren't
dating.
girlfriend and boyfriend or nothing.
Yeah, because he's talking about he wanted to see her again, right?
Mm-hmm.
And she said, I don't think that's a great idea. What would cause a woman to do something like that?
Why it has to be a woman? It could be a man too.
I'm not asking.
Matter.
This happened. This was the man and the woman. She said, I don't think that'd be a good deal. So I'm not asking about the man right now. I'm asking about the woman.
I don't know. Just people have their own mind of what they want to do. If they want to play around, they play around. It'd be one of those, what you call it, those
You know any people that be playing around like that?
Yeah.
That are girls?
Yeah.
Tell everybody out there how sneaky girls can be.
They can be very sneaky. They play the role just like the guy played the role.
We're not talking about
I
the guy.
know that, but I'm just
you
saying.
are so hung up on the guy.
I'm just saying.
Just like the guy.
Everybody play the role.
We're talking about the girls right now.
I know. But
What role?
everybody play the role. They play the pimp role. That's what it is, the pimp role.
The pimp.
Yes, the pimp role.
The pimp role. So
If they can get it, I can get it. If they can do it, I can do it.
yeah, that's the wrong role.
Yeah.
Anyway,
That's what they play, the pimp role.
Can I talk now?
Okay.
Sit back up here so people can see.
Okay.
All right. Now, what happened is they kind of went along their own separate ways, right? And then next thing you know, she runs across the brother, not realizing they brothers, but he's blind. Where did they meet at? They met somewhere. And I think he leaned over they were talking, he leaned over to kiss her. Now remember,
Not at that time.
Remember he blind.
They was in his apartment.
He can only hear.
They were in his apartment.
Talk, Tiny. Let me
Hey.
see if I can tell where your lips are at.
What?
Right here?
Nope.
Am I close?
Yep. You going into my nose.
Oh, my fault. I'm trying to see how blind people might do it. I have my eyes closed.
You see, you have all your senses everywhere, but you don't.
You know,
see
before I hear your voice, I smell your breath.
Oh my
I
goodness!
could tell where you were at.
I just ate a popsicle,
Yeah.
so it should have been the flavor of it, cherry
It was the
flavor.
hotness. I felt the hot.
Boy, why you at my nose then?
I don't know. Well, you had two.
You way up there.
Yeah.
I was feeling your hot breath on my nose.
Yeah.
You're just breathing. Sense
So he was trying to. He was trying to kiss her, and then she didn't. What is it? She didn't want to kiss him.
Yeah, she didn't really care for him.
And then he looked like
He
this.
was
like-
sad. He was about to cry, and then she fell for him.
And then she came and kissed him.
Yeah.
And
Talking
then-
about I felt bad.
Yeah, and then her best friend's like, so you just kissed this guy because you felt bad? Well, no, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Have you ever kissed anybody because you felt bad for them?
No.
No.
I wasn't that desperate. No.
You said you weren't that desperate, but it doesn't mean you were desperate. You just
Wasn't
said
that anyway?
oh, you were never desperate? Oh. All right, so then what happens is, I think he invites her over to the... Did he invite her over to the house?
That was before. You went ahead too far, and then you had to go back. That's where they met. They were at the house. And then her brother said, oh, we met before.
Yeah, and the other brother was there. He's looking like... But I don't think he told the blind brother, this is the girl I was dating.
Yeah, he didn't tell him
No,
that.
he didn't even date her. He didn't even tell him this is the girl I already slept with.
Mm-hmm.
You know what that's called, Tiny? Sloppy seconds. Sloppy seconds.
Yeah.
You ain't never want sloppy seconds, have
Nope.
you? Oh. Anyway, so what happened is they end up dating. But so while they're dating, the brother, it's like a rivalry thing, and they're trying to. What are they trying to do? They're trying to.
Well, really,
What are they
nothing.
actually trying to do?
He's swimming. He's training for a swimming, like a marathon.
Yeah.
And because he runs the marathon, he runs the miles and all of that stuff. But they got to run with him. But he's in the water and he's training. So the girl is there to with him. That's what they're showing. And then the girl and his brother, they still up there having an affair or sex or whatever. Not affair, but they're still having sex and all of that stuff. While the brother's still in the room thinking that they're doing something, but they're doing their own business.
And he don't know what they're doing because he's blind. They on the couch putting their clothes on. He said, man, I really thank y'all for being here for me. Like, they just got done sleeping with each other, blind man.
So that's crazy. That was like all messed up.
So this movie's strictly about comedy.
Yeah.
Anybody that loves comedy, you'll probably like this. I give it it was actually kind of fun. I've never seen it from this perspective, so I'd actually give it a 4.
Yeah, I'll give it a 3.5.
You just couldn't give it a 4. Why you gotta give it a 3.5?
I give it a 3.5. Because, I mean, poor man. Oh, well, I'm not going to give it a 4. I'd give it a 3.5.
You give him a 3.5 just because you felt pitiful for him?
Yeah.
That should be the reason why you give it a 4.
No. I just give it a 3.
Anyway.
Until I conceive some more of it, I just give it a 3.5. At least I give it a 3.5. Why you gotta down my score for what? Just because it's not a 4. I give it a 3.5. 3.5 is what it is and what it's gonna stay be. You understand?
Yeah.
It just stays there 3.5. It's still a good movie. Just because you listen to my score, that doesn't mean your.
Are you gonna go watch it?
Sure, I would.
Are you gonna pay for it?
With your money.
Anyway, this is another chick flick. If you like kind of romantic comedy, something like this, you will love it. So until next time, I'm Sean.
And I am Tanya.
Check out our other trailers, our other reviews.
Roll on through.
Peace.
Oh,